So we're looking at the Australian dollar, US dollar. So we can see we've been in an uptrend since the 2nd of January. This is a 4-hour chart. You will know from the books which I've written on and put on Amazon that when you see this move happening over here, that is a potential sell signal. We also find that we've reached another resistance point. So this could be an indication of things to come. If we look at the 30-minute chart, let's go to the 5-minute chart. So on the 5-minute chart, we have a pretty good setup here in terms of a short. You might have missed it by now, but who knows? It still might be worth actually placing a trade on the 5-minute. On the 10-minute as well, it doesn't look too bad. On the 15-minute, also not too bad. 30-minute, okay. So at this stage on the 4-hour, you would be placing your trade either to sell short, or if you know what this pattern is, we discuss it in the course as well as in the book. So yeah, we've reached a resistance point, and this is where we are with the AUD USD. So the Australian dollar US dollar, I think we could be seeing a bit of a sell-off at this point, just based on this candle pattern which we see over here. So don't be surprised if you see a sell-off. So as you can see, we've been since January, we've been in an uptrend. Let's have a look at the weekly chart. But as you'll notice, we've reached the key resistance level. So on the daily 4-hour, on the daily chart, we are running into resistance at this resistance point over here. We can see that by the candle wick, and we can see that MACD, though going up, we're starting to see that even though the price has gone up, MACD is diverging, it's coming lower. So this doesn't mean that the actual trend is over, it just means that there is a pullback, a slight pullback due to resistance, and if it were to break down below the support line, that would be a pretty good short. But as I say, in the course, you always want to trade in the direction of the overall trend. We have a slight pullback and retracement over here. We're just running into steam over here on the daily, which is evident on the 4-hour chart. So it is possible that the stock could break through here. We'll just have to keep an eye out on the 4-hour, but if it doesn't, there's a good chance that we'll have a short. So at this point in time, even though the signals are telling us what to expect, because we haven't had confirmation yet, I wouldn't pull the trigger just yet. But the overall trend is still up. But this here is a shooting star, and we know from a shooting star that that is an indication of things to come. Plus, at this moment in time, we have a doji as well. So we've got 3 signals which are forming. As I say, overall trend up, but we just need to wait for the signal whether to go long or short. On the 5-minute, we're looking like we are heading for a short. But with trading, you place your trades and you see how they work out. So that's it for this video. AUD USD, and today's date is the 17th of January.